This VAWatchdog.org news video is brought to you by Bergman & Moore, LLC. Former VA attorneys now fighting VA for you. Call Bergman & Moore at 877-838-2889 or on the web at vetlawyers.com.
With Labor Day little more than a week away, we have a first look tonight at a new report showing how much work is not being done by federal employees. The federal government has 2.6 million civilian workers. It's the nation's largest employer. But it turns out a growing number of those workers aren't showing up for their jobs, and that costs the government money, a lot of money. Here's ABC's David Curley.
What you don't see every morning at government office buildings is how many federal workers don't bother to come to work.
People have just flat not shown up for work that work for the federal government.
Not shown up for days, weeks, even months. Senator Coburn got out his calculator and says in his new report that federal workers missed, are you ready for this, nearly 20 million hours of work in the past 6 years. That's not sick leave, not vacation. They're AWOL, absent without leave.
And my question is if people aren't showing up for work, why are they still employed by the federal government?
How do they get away with it? Coburn blames layers of bureaucracy and inefficiencies, which have allowed the numbers to grow. Even coworkers see it.
It is true that there's, I think, a certain lack of accountability in certain offices.
So what do all these lost hours really mean? Well, you can think of it as 10,000 work years not worked, or an entire 30-year federal career for 316 workers that never happened. While AWOL workers aren't paid, still, work doesn't get done. The worst violators, the Veterans Administration and the Department of the Treasury, together accounting for 60% of the lost hours. The union, which represents many federal employees, blames the Bush administration.
Apparently, they are so asleep at the wheel, they're letting people go for months without any consequences.
The Veterans Administration, tagged as the worst violator, says it's a small fraction, much less than 1% of hours that aren't worked.
So I want to make the agencies accountable. I want them to report, and I want to make sure Congress is aware of it.
Aware of a problem he says costs $7 to $10 billion in lost productivity every year. David Curley, ABC News, Washington.
VAWatchdog.org, the nation's #1 independent veterans website. On the web at VAWatchdog.org.